Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making some cinnamon rolls, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have all-purpose white flour, I have cream cheese, instant yeast, an egg, some butter, sea salt, I have white regular sugar, I have some powdered sugar, whole milk, some vanilla extract, and some ground cinnamon. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is come with my milk and pour it into a bowl. I'm also going to come and add my melted butter. I'm also going to add my instant yeast. Okay. My egg. My sugar. And my salt. And now we're just going to come and we're going to mix this well, okay? Just like this. This is very easy to make, and it comes out so good. Okay, you just want to make sure everything is well blended. Now we're going to start adding our flour. Okay, so I'm going to come with my flour, just like this. I'm going to put little by little, like half of it. And then I'm going to come with a wooden spoon, or you can come with any spoon. And we're just going to fold into it. Okay. And just continue folding. Just like that. So now that it looks like this, I'm going to come and add the rest of my flour. Okay, and I will have the ingredients that I'm using and the amount in my description below. Okay, so now you're just going to come and you're just going to fold into it. Okay, so we're going to continue doing this until it becomes a nice ball. Okay guys, so once you see that it looks like this, we're going to make this easier and we're going to use our hands. So my hands are nice and clean. What I'm going to do is just, I'm going to fold it up with my hands. Okay. As you're folding it, push down. Fold. Oops. Fold and push down. Okay. Fold and push down. And we're going to keep doing this for like 3 minutes. Okay. Because you want it to be nice and smooth. Okay. So, again, fold and push down. Okay? Okay, guys, so I've been folding this for 3 minutes. And this is the way it looks. It's still sticky, but it doesn't stick to your fingers. You know what I mean? So that's what you want, okay? So now what we're going to come and do is we're just going to cover this. So I'm going to come with a rag. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to sit it on the stove. And we're going to let this rise for 1 hour. Okay guys, so it's been an hour since my dough has been rising. This is the way it looks. So now we're going to jump to the next step. So now what I'm going to come and do is I'm going to add some flour to my cutting board. Just like that. Just enough so we can throw the dough on top. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come with a wooden spoon. I'm going to come and put my dough right on top, just like that. And then I'm gonna come with just a little more dough right on top, just like that, nothing crazy. And we're gonna flatten it. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna come with a rolling pin. So before I use the rolling pin, I'm going to take a little bit of flour and I'm just going to coat the rolling pin, because as you're rolling it, you do not want the dough to get stuck to it. Okay, so now I'm going to roll this out. Okay, if you guys like what you see so far, don't forget to give me a like, share it out to your friends and family. Okay, and I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Okay, so we're gonna keep stretching it out at least around 17 inches. You want it to be even on all sides. Okay, So I'm gonna keep doing this until I get it to where I want it. Okay, so this is the way I got mine. So now what I'm gonna come and do very gently is I'm gonna push in a little bit to make it a little more square. Okay, I'm gonna do this from all angles. And when you using your rolling pin and you're flattening it out, you want it to be even. You don't want it thicker on this side, thicker on, you know what I mean? You want it to be as even as possible. Okay, so now what I'm going to come and do is add 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to dap it like this. And it's better for it to be soft because it'll be easier to mess with, okay? It seems like a lot, but it's not. Trust me. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is take a butter knife and we're just going to spread it all over. And we want to do this evenly. Like you want your whole dough covered in butter. Okay. So we're going to continue doing this just like this. And once you coat it, this is the way it looks. It looks like a lot of butter, but trust me, it's not. Now I'm going to come with my granulated sugar. And I'm going to throw it into a bowl. And I'm also going to come with my cinnamon. Okay. And we're going to mix this well. Because this is our filling. Okay. So you want to make sure it's well mixed. Look at that. Oh my god. This is going to be so good, guys. If you guys try this, please let me know how you like it. Okay. You want to make sure as you're mixing it, there's no clumps of white, no clumps of cinnamon, and it's gonna look just like that. Okay, so this is the fun part. So now you're just gonna come with your cinnamon and sugar and you're gonna coat everything. Okay, make sure everything is well coated, and you want to use it all. Okay, don't be scared, use it all. I can't wait till this is done. I'm like hungry. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. I'll be happy to answer it as well. Okay, and if you guys have any recommendations, what you would like to see next, also let me know in the comments. Okay, so now I have it completely coated. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to jump to the next step. So it is a little bit messy, but that's okay. So now what I'm going to come and do with my clean hands, I'm going to come on the ledges and I'm going to fold it. Okay? You want to fold it thinly like that. And just keep folding. Okay? You want to roll it. Now you want to roll it. Once you fold it, let's see. Once you fold it, then you're going to come in, you're going to just roll it. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do that to the whole thing. You see, it's going to just keep rolling. You guys, so I just want to show you how it's rolling up. Just like that. That's the way you want it. Okay, so now I'm just going to try to lift it up a little bit so you can see better. And I'm going to turn it. So the part that you rolled, this part, we're going to pinch it. We're going to just pinch it like this. Okay? So it won't come out. Like unfold. Because you wouldn't want that. Okay? So we're going to do this to all of our dough. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that it's nice and rolled up, what I'm going to do is push in the sides. Like this. Make sure it's even. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay. And now we're going to cut it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to use a knife because I don't have a dough cutter. So I'm going to start from the middle. And I'm just going to slice. Okay. Then I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to slice. Just like that. Okay. This is going to make it easier for you to make them even sizes. Okay, and I'm gonna continue doing that just like this. You want them to be even because when they cook, you want them to cook equally. So this made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 here. Okay, so now this is ready to go into the baking dish. Okay guys, so I do have my oven on 350 preheating while I'm doing this. Okay, so what I'm gonna come and do is take butter and I'm gonna coat the pan, the baking pan. Okay, make sure it's coated on the sides, on the bottom really good. And then we're gonna add our cinnamon rolls to this. Okay guys, so now that my pan is coated, what I'm gonna come and do is I'm just gonna pick them up. Look at that. I'm just gonna pick them up and I'm just gonna sit them in the corner just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do that to all of it. Okay guys, so this is the way it looks in the pan. So what I'm gonna come and do is, again, I'm gonna cover it, making sure that my rag does not touch, and we're gonna leave this covered for another 40 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 40 minutes since I've been letting my cinnamon rolls rise more. Look at how nice they look. So now what I'm gonna come and do is take some melted butter and we're just gonna place that right on top. Okay, this is gonna help it come on nice and soft and amazing. Okay, so we're gonna do this to all our cinnabons, and then we're gonna bake this. Again, my oven has been preheating on 350, so my oven is ready. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna bake these. Hey guys, so my cinnamon rolls been baking for 25 minutes and they are done. So now I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna come and make the icing. Okay guys, so to make the icing, what I'm gonna do is add my softened cream cheese, just like that. And I'm also gonna add the butter, just like that, okay? And now I'm gonna come and blend everything, okay? Now I'm gonna add my vanilla extract, just like that, and we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna add my powdered sugar, and we're gonna blend. And this is the way it's gonna look, okay? Just like this. You see that? That's exactly how you want it. Okay guys, so now this is the best part. We're gonna come with a spoon and we're gonna layer it. You want your cinnamon rolls to be hot enough that it melts, but not super hot, you know, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna add it just like this, and we're gonna mix. I like a lot of icing. You can put as much as you want. And again, I will have the ingredients that I'm using and the amount that I'm using in my description below. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. Look at how good this looks. The pan is still a little hot, but I don't care. So to me, the best time to eat this is when it's nice and warm. So we're just gonna dig into this, okay? You guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I want to break into it just so you can see it, okay? Look at this. Do you see this? Oh my goodness. Well, I want to thank you for watching like always. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave them below. And if you try this, please also let me know. And thank you for watching and have a blessed day.